Hey everyone, welcome back to your financial health. Let me ask you a question. Why do 99% of people fail at saving money even when they try so hard? Is it because they're lazy? Bad with math? Trust me, it's not. Here's the harsh truth. No one ever taught them the hidden rules of small savings. Rules that banks won't tell you, influencers ignore, and even your parents might not know. But today, I'll break it all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple trick that'll turn your savings from zero to hero, and it's not what you've heard before. Stick around. This could change your financial future. The big mistake everyone makes. Let's start with the mistake 99% of beginners make, and it's costing them thousands. They try to save after spending. Imagine this. You work hard, get your paycheck, pay rent, buy groceries, treat yourself to coffee, and then try to save whatever's left. But here's the brutal reality. There's never anything left. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a giant hole at the bottom. No matter how much you earn, it never stays. Why? Because spending is addictive. Once you start, it's hard to stop. The fix? Flip the script. Pay yourself first. Before bills, before shopping, before anything else, take a tiny slice of your income and save it. Even 1% works. Let me show you why. If you earn $3,000 a month, saving $30, that's one less pizza night. But over a year, that's $360. In 5 years, $1,800 plus interest. Small, consistent steps beat giant leaps you'll never stick to. This isn't theory, it's how millionaires build wealth quietly. How to save without even trying. Now here's the secret smart savers use. Automation. Set up your bank to move money to savings the second your paycheck arrives. Think of it like a subscription service. But instead of paying Netflix, you're paying your future self. For example, if you earn $2,000 a month, save just $20 automatically. That's one less takeout meal. You won't even notice it's gone. But here's where it gets exciting. Over a year, that's become $240. In 5 years, $1,200 plus compound interest. Let's break it down. Year 1, $240. Year 5, $1,200. Year 10, $2,400, assuming no interest. But with a high-yield account becomes $3,200. Free money just for being consistent. The best part? Zero willpower required. But warning, if you use a savings account with fees, you're throwing money away. Always pick no-fee, high-interest accounts like Ally Bank or Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Why your money disappears and how to stop it. Next, let's talk about the silent killer of savings, inflation. If your money sits in a regular savings account earning 0.01% interest, it loses 3 to 5% of its value every year. Let's make this real, period. Imagine you save $1,000 today. In 5 years, it'll only buy $850 worth of groceries. That's like lighting money on fire. But here's the fix. Outpace inflation. How? Use accounts that pay 4 to 5% interest like 1. High-yield savings accounts. Easy access, no risk. 2. Treasury bills, backed by the government, 5% plus returns. Ignore this, and your savings will shrink, even if you never touch them. The game changer tip. You need this. Ready for the biggest trick no one talks about? Save based on your personality? Let me explain. If you're a spender, hide your savings in a separate account you never check. Out of sight, out of mind. If you're a planner, period, use apps like Digit or Capital to save spare change automatically. Buy a $4.50 coffee? They'll save $4.50 coffee? They'll save 50 cents for you. If you're visual, period, track savings with colorful charts or jars. Watch your dream vacation jar fill up. It's addicting. The goal? Make saving effortless and fun, not a chore. And here's the golden rule. Boost your savings by 1% every 3 months. Start with 1%, then 2%, then 3%. In a year, you'll save 5% of your income without feeling a difference. Why? Because your lifestyle adjusts gradually. This is how ordinary people save $10,000 plus without drastic changes. What happens if you ignore this? Let's get real. If you keep doing what you've always done, you'll stay stuck. Without small savings, 0.000, emergencies become disasters. A flat tire or medical bill forces you into debt. You miss life-changing opportunities. Want to invest? Start a business? No savings equals no freedom. Stress controls you. Watching others build security while you're stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But if you start today, even with $10 a week, build a $520 cushion in a year. Sleep better knowing you're prepared. Unlock bigger wins like investing or buying a home. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about playing the long game and winning. So here's your action plan. 1. Start small, 1% of your income. 2. Automate it, set it, and forget it. 3. Hide your savings, out of sight, out of mind. 4. Do this, and in 6 months, you'll be shocked at how much you've saved without stressing. If this helped, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with others who need it. Subscribe and tap the bell next video. I'll show you how to turn $100 into $1,000 using low-risk, high-reward strategies. Comment below, game changer, if you're trying this. And remember, your financial health matters. See you in the next one.